Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Thursday, February 3, 2022. And before I get started this morning for today's Daily IQ, I wanted to mention after the close today, we'll be hosting an educational webinar focused on short-term trading. So if you're interested in short-term trading, short-term investing, you may want to join us this afternoon. If you want to do that, there is a link below the video that you can click on. It'll take you to this page. Fill out your name, your email, and if you have any questions ahead of time, you can put those in as well and register for it. That'll be at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time this afternoon. Scott Andrews will be joining me, and we will be hosting that after the close this afternoon, talking about some benefits of short-term trading, diversification, all kinds of good stuff like that. So feel free to join us this afternoon by simply going to the link below the video, filling out your name and email, and registering for that event. All right, let's hop into today's Daily IQ. We're going to look at a seasonality study this morning, specifically on Thursdays. So Thursday has some interesting characteristics to it, and what we're going to be looking at is opening below the prior day low on Thursdays in a bull market environment. We had some news come out right at 4 p.m. Eastern Time yesterday. Facebook earnings were very poor, and it is down sizably. The NASDAQ sold off along with the rest of the market on that news. So we are well below yesterday's close and trading below yesterday's lows right now. So that's what we're going to be looking at, is opening below the prior day low on a Thursday. I've got all four instruments selected here. The setup is based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And like I said, we are looking at what has happened historically when you open below the prior day low on a Thursday. So I'm going to hit equals here for open below prior day low. That will add it to the test. The next thing I'm going to do is put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and 200 day simple moving average yesterday, so I'm going to add both of those. And then I'm going to go to the calendar library and look at Thursday specifically. It's one of the more interesting days of the week here. And now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you open below the prior day low in a bull market environment, and it is Thursday. So historically, we've got 52 samples in the S&P 50 in the NASDAQ, 60 in the Dow, 37 in the Russell. Win rates on these are all skewed towards the upside, with S&P being 63% of these closing above the open. For the NASDAQ, it is 60%. For the Dow, 68%, and for the Russell, 54%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss is larger than the average win in the S&P. That is also the case in the NASDAQ and the Dow. The Russell is the only one with a larger average win compared to its average loss. So historically speaking, the average moves have been larger on the downside, but more often than not, it has closed above the open. And there's some other interesting studies here for Thursday specifically. Opening above the high on Thursdays is another interesting one that you might want to dig into on your own. But seeing the weakness that came in after the 4 o'clock close there yesterday, this kind of caught my attention. I was looking at it and thought it was interesting, so I figured I would share it with you today. Good luck today. Feel free to join us after the close. The link is below this video. We'd love to see you this afternoon, and we will see you then.